Israel on Campus Coalition and Moishe House.
Number 9, learn about Israel in a fun way.
You will build professional skills for the rest of your life.
You get to engage your own friends and family and teach them about Israel.
Number 6, it will look awesome on your college apps.
You get to bond with 14 other DC upperclassmen.
The program's going to be led by super cool college kids and professionals who love Israel.
DC Council and CRW are piloting the program so that you get to be a trendsetter.
You get the funds to start your own Lead Up program.
And the number one reason to apply for Lead Up is that Israel is awesome!